Hey guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to factory reset a GoPro. Today we're going to be resetting a GoPro Hero 8, but these steps will work for a GoPro Hero 5 all the way to the Hero 9. So let's get started by powering on our GoPro. Once the GoPro is powered on, we're going to swipe down from the top of the screen. Next, tap on Preferences. Here, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Reset. Next, you're going to see several different reset options, but the one we're going to do today is Factory Reset. You're going to see a message pop up that says Factory Reset resets your settings, clears your connections, and removes the camera from your GoPro Plus account. Go ahead and tap on Reset. Give it a moment to complete the reset, and that's it. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like. Also, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.